In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a gift card on Vestiaire Collective. Have you ever found yourself with a gift card and not quite sure how to use it on this popular luxury resale platform? Well, you're in luck. Today, we'll walk through the simple steps to ensure you can smoothly apply that gift card to your next Vestiaire purchase. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and search for Vestiaire Collective. It should be fairly easy to find as it typically appears as the first result in your search engine. Simply click on that link to head straight over to their home page. Once you're on the site, look around the top right corner where you'll usually find the sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. If you have an account, enter your login details to access your profile. If you're new, you might need to create an account first. This will only take a few minutes and you'll soon be ready to shop. Let's say you've picked out a fabulous designer piece that you're ready to purchase. You'll need to check your virtual shopping bag. Click on the bag icon, usually also in the top right corner of the page. Here you can see all the items you're intending to buy. Double check that everything looks correct. Now that you're set with your selections, it's time to move to the next stage, checkout. Look for the Proceed to Checkout button and click on it. This will direct you to a new page where you can review your purchase one last time before finalizing the order. You'll notice there's a section for entering promo codes. This is where the magic happens. Carefully type in your gift card code in the designated box. Make sure you've entered it accurately. Gift cards codes are usually case sensitive, so pay close attention to any letters and numbers. After you've typed in the code, you should see the value being applied to your purchase total, reducing the amount accordingly. If everything looks good to you, it's time to complete your order. Hit the Place Order button to seal the deal. In doing so, you've successfully used your gift card to pay for your fashion finds on Vestiaire Collective. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to make the most of your gift cards on Vestiaire Collective. This process should make your shopping experience more enjoyable and seamless, allowing you to snag those coveted items with minimal hassle. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.